I've been using the Experian mobile app for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review on the Experian app. I'll cover all the main points, from key features to risks and considerations. So by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of the Experian mobile app. One of its standout features is its ability to give users free access to their Experian credit report and FICO score. This makes it easy to keep track of your credit health in real time. Additionally, the app offers Experian Boost, a unique feature that allows you to raise your FICO score by adding utility and phone payments to your credit report. This could be especially helpful for those looking to improve their score quickly without taking on new debt. The app also provides personalized credit card and loan offers based on your credit profile, making it easier to make informed financial decisions. However, the Experian app isn't without its drawbacks. While the app is free to use, some features, like credit monitoring, require an upgrade to a paid plan. Additionally, while it offers useful tools for improving credit scores, the app can be somewhat limited for users looking for more comprehensive financial planning features. Another downside is that the app relies on automated algorithms, which might not always provide the level of personalized advice that some users need. Despite these limitations, the Experian app is a great choice for those looking for a straightforward way to manage their credit and make improvements. As always, do consider speaking with an expert before making any decisions. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on this heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.